Kingdom of Ants. The Kingdom of Ants is an ideal moral community where all rational individuals treat each other as ends in themselves, not merely as means, and act according to rules that everyone could agree should apply universally. In simpler terms, perfect words, where first is everyone follows moral rules they believe should apply to everyone. Second is everyone respects the dignity and worth of every other person. Third is people act both as role makers. And the fourth is role followers in a shared moral system. So here is the idea of the the king of ends. Act as if your behavior helps create a world where everyone follows the same moral laws and respect each other's humanity. For example, returning a lost wallet. Imagine you find a wallet full of cash and the owner's ID. In a kingdom of ends, you would first is return the wallet even though you could keep the money. Second is do so because you believe everyone should act this way. Third is respect the owner as a person with dignity, not just as a way to gain money. So, why this fits the kingdom of ends? First, you're acting on a role maxim. Second, return lost property to its owner. Third is you would want this rule to apply to everyone. Fourth is you treat the other person as end in themselves, not as a means to your benefit. So what it would look like if everyone did this? A society where first people trust each other. Second, no one exploits others for personal gain. Third is moral rules are shared and respected by all. So in Kantian ethics, a maxim is a personal rule or principle that explain why you act and what you intend to do in a situation. So basically, first is in this situation I will do blank for this. Example, connected to the kingdom of ends. If you find a lost wallet, your maxim might be first, when I find something that isn't mine, I will return it because it's the right thing to do. So why maxims matter for the kingdom of ends? According to Immanuel Kant, first you should only act on maxims that you would want everyone else to follow. Second is your maxim should respect others as ends in themselves. A maxim is a personal moral rule that guides your action and be tested to see if it should apply universally.